Hey people, so this is my son and me having a little party at the metro station. So this is a strawberry donut which we got free with this paneer sandwich. I used to take a bite of this paneer sandwich and tell us how it tastes.
Let's see how it tastes.
It's actually 2 sandwiches, but you can have it like one. Really? So
Yeah.
that's what, one is for you, one is for me. Take a bite of that chocolate donut also. I don't know. See, the everything here is for 130 bucks. That is 85 rupees for this paneer sandwich, with which we got the pink color donut free, strawberry donut. I don't know. I guess lunchtime we make irrational decisions. But oh, my son likes it. Actually, he had some rigorous dance practice. So I'm glad my son is. So these are these cute things we do. And we'll wait for our train once we finish this. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.